It only takes a few seconds for someone to try and take what's yours. You won't see it coming, but your security system will. When it comes to protecting what matters most, your home, your business, your peace of mind, CRANEBROOK Security Installations is the name you can trust. With over 30 years of experience, we specialize in custom-designed security solutions for homes, commercial spaces, and everything in between. From high-definition CCTV systems to smart alarms and 24/7 monitoring, we deliver protection that works when you need it. At CRANEBROOK Security Installations, we're more than just installers. We're your neighbours, your advisors, and your first line of defence.
We recently have been dealing with a couple of break-ins, and honestly, it's just been very exhausting. Vic and the CRANEBROOK team came out that same week, walked us through everything, and had our full system up and running in just one day. Since then, we've had not a single issue. The peace of mind is priceless.
We had a few dodgy incidents near our warehouse and wanted to act before it got worse. CRANEBROOK Security didn't give us a generic solution. They listened, explained the options, and gave us something that actually works for our space. It's been 6 months and we've had 0 issues. I sleep better knowing it's all covered.
Security should never be a maybe. At CRANEBROOK Security Installations, we make sure it's a guarantee.